Hello everyone, let's make a masterboard. Now I have all the things I want to use in my masterboard. Um, Tissue boxes. I have all kinds of things. I have my scraps, because you know I like using my scraps and things like this. And even my baby wipes. And yeah, I have videos coming soon on that, but I'm doing this in the wrong order. I have a napkin and the planners box that we cut up in the other video. Here you see me cutting up the paper napkin. Oh, and I wanted to say to everyone, thank you so much, because this should be going up in the week. If it's not the week that I came back, then the following week. But I like to thank everyone with your warm welcome back. I mean, I truly was touched. I was truly touched because I wasn't expecting a reception like that. I just thought, maybe one person or two at the most would say welcome back, but not as many as you did, and that really warmed my heart because I didn't think I would be missed. That's why I came back and said hello, hello. You see that it's the cardboard box for the tissue box, and like I said, I have a video coming up with that. Um, anyway, you could see I like doing my master boards like I do my glue books. I just There's no rhyme or reason, y'all. I just use my scraps and plop it on down and see what comes up out of it. Because the fun is when you cut it up, it's to see what comes out of it. If you look back at my old masterboard videos, you see that's what I did. I just threw it on down there, but then I was using, a lot of paint and stuff like that too. Because the fun is to see how it looks when it's all cut up. And sometimes it's a hot mess. Sometimes it is a hot mess. And I even have a video where I say, y'all, this is a hot mess. So you just keep cutting. You just keep cutting. You make inchies, twinchies, bookmarks, all kinds of fun things. And so if you stay tuned to the end of this video, not at the end of this video, but to the next video, unless I insert something else in there, because it may not be ready yet. It is hard, like I said, content creators, Alrighty though. Oh, I'm showing you that was all the things that I used in here. Napkin. No, that's from the box. Oh, and then I remember thinking, oh, I didn't use that much from the box. I wanted something else. So I'm going to put this image of the bow, and then I thought about it. I said, well, should I put an image down? Because I may cut it up. And so I would like to use that in whatever I make. But anyway, I put it down anyway. I had fun with this box. It really was a fun box. And as you can see, it was a Christmas box, but it worked right well with Valentine's Day. Well, all right, friends. This is all I have for you today. And you can see that's what it looks like. Talk to you soon. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.